Hello, boys and girls and parents. Welcome to the art room and the 2021 school year. I'm Miss Bartlett, and behind me,
I'm Mrs. Dodgehill.
and we wanted to show you a few things around the art room that will help keep us safe.
We've added extra tables in both of our art rooms, and even at the tables we have these plastic dividers to separate the kiddos as they work.
Over here, we have our classroom TV that helps to display our lessons and keep everyone still spread out.
We also want to give a message to our last year's 3rd and 4th graders. We have your ceramics, so we plan on glazing those pretty early in the school year.
We're really excited to be creating art with you again and cannot wait for this year. Feel free to look for us on the web at oskielementaryart.weebly.com. You can also find us on Facebook or Instagram at Oski L Art and contact us through email or check out our Art Sonia gallery.